each and every aspect, whether dealing with the macroeconomic aspects or microeconomic levels, they are concentrating on public-private partnership. And through this process, they are achieving the target and destiny of elimination of corruption, and they are trying to bring the corruption up to zero level of tolerance. And this process of public-private partnership has helped a lot in achieving this particular destination, target. Number 5, investment encouraging environment is need of the time. We need an environment which should be investment encouraging and honoring of international treaties and agreements. And last point here, number 7, is that we should ensure the better profits and better perspectives of interests. These are the basic needs or basic prerequisites or assurances which an investor, whether in the field of agriculture or in the field of trade or in the field of industry, inland or foreign side, every investor requires these things to be ensured as a prerequisite. We have never paid any kind of serious attention on providing these kind of conditions to our economic environment. Second thing, these are related with the same aspects, that there are some wheels of market economy, and these wheels need to be greased, and these wheels were never greased. Secondly, we want to grease these market economy. We need a social market economy. And it can also be possible, it can only be possible, number 1, if we provide the guaranteed protection rights to investment and properties, again through constitutional guarantee. Doesn't mean that one man is doing his best in his time, then government is changed, and a new government comes, and even his basic proprietary rights and other investment rights are damaged. So there should be a constitutional guarantee for these, protection of these rights. And strict enforcement of contracts. Number 3, there should be sound securities with complete guaranteed safety of life, business, movement, fair competition, safe and secure environment of business. Number 4, we need strong anti-corruption policies to ensure transparent process of involvement. And number 5, we need clear, fair, and predictable rules of economic activity. There should be no confusion. Investor wants to be free and out of the ambiguity, out of confusion, out of the state of uncertainty. Predictable rules of activity. And for this economic success in the field of economic activity, there should be some sound economic ethics for economic activity. We should ensure high saving rates. We should concentrate like Japan and Germany, and America is also following the same path now, the dual logic economy. I don't need to explain this philosophy. We need dual logic economy, as Japan has specifically emphasized practically on this aspect. There should be social peace and harmony and encouragement of global interaction. These were some general principles which I wanted to elaborate in the beginning, just to explain what are the basic needs which are to be fulfilled in order to create a proper environment of economic activity and growth. Now coming to the restructuring of economy, I believe and I think nothing is hidden from your knowledge, nothing is unknown to your good selves. You know, our economic decline for the last 15 years or more than that, and in a way we can say for the last 30 years. There was a time, I would like to mention, there was a time when our respected chairman of the chamber was mentioning Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong. Malaysia country, I agree, has agricultural sector as its base for the few decades. But